what the current status of cleanup during a snow event is. So you can see here on the map that we've got truck locations with these snowflakes, and then all of the green lines on the map are where they've been. So you can click on a line. Hi, I'm Grant Dixon. I'm one of the GIS administrators at MGP.
I'm Jan Theisinger. I'm a GIS administrator at MGP as well.
Today we're giving you a sneak peek into our brand new Snow Plow Tracking and Operations suite.
Yeah, this tool is designed to provide communities with transparency when it comes to the snowplow operations, and also to make the snowplow operations more effective.
It's really kind of cool. We are able to connect with a community's vehicle fleet and then show where those locations of those vehicles are on a map, and then also show where they've been over an extended period of time.
Yeah, it also provides the residents ability to see when was the last time a truck has been around their street, or if their part of town's been plowed yet. So they can have a self-service ability to view this information, that they don't have to call City Hall or Village Hall. So that will reduce lots of calls that Public Works will have to take.
The first tool that we're going to show off here is our public-facing snowplow tracking application. This is, like Jan was saying, that application meant for the public to self-serve information about where snowplows are and what the current status of cleanup during a snow event is. So you can see here on the map that we've got truck locations with these snowflakes, and then all of the green lines on the map are where they've been. So you can click on a line and get information about when that plow was in that area, so you can see how recently your area was plowed. So what's really great about this application is that it's customizable. They don't want to show any activity within the last 30 minutes. They just want to show what's really been completed. We can do that as well. There's all sorts of little tweaks we can make to make this as effective of a tool as you want it for your municipality. Our second tool is our snowplow operations suite. This application is designed for internal use and is meant so a local government can help manage their snowplow operations. Our first tool, very similar to that public-facing tool, but is layered with significantly more information.
Yeah, we can provide lots of supplemental layers, such as the snow routes. The supervisors can overlay this information on the live feed that's coming in, and give them a little bit more insights of what is happening. Also, they can track what's the percentage of a route being completed, and if they need some additional equipment. We're hoping that in the future we can do some more statistics specifically about the completion times.
So let's take a quick example and look at how a Public Works employee could use this application. Let's say the Public Works is saying, hey, I want to know how much of Route 1 has been plowed over the last 4 hours. So they can use these filters to filter to Route 1. You can see the route layer has now is only showing this yellow one, and then they can see that they can see all of the green lines as they're covering that route. That would indicate that part of the route has been plowed. So they can further filter based on vehicles, so they can see which vehicles have plowed what. Again, just like they did in the public one, we can click on a segment and get some information about when that plow was in that area. But this is all geared towards answering the question of how much of my village has been plowed and when was that plowed. One of my favorite features of this suite is the addition of our weather center. So the weather center is a forecast and current conditions tool that will give you current conditions, rain, snow, ice, and then also allow you to see forecasts going out 36 hours.
Yeah, we also mentioned that this application or this suite is expandable, so we can pretty much replicate the same process for any other vehicle, the village or city's fleet. For example, street sweepers will be the next suite of applications we plan on deploying. We can also use this for special events such as parade routes. So we already successfully used that for this purpose. So it's got a great potential to be expanded to any vehicle that has a tracking device.
And we're always looking for that next idea. Not only do we want to be able to track vehicles, but like Jan was saying, we want to bring in other information. So there's been ideas about bringing in truck dash cams, so you can get that live dash cam view of what the road conditions are. We've had conversations about bringing in other data sets for road condition, all that kind of information we would love to see included in this one day to provide an even more rich experience for local government.
One of the motivating factors why we've developed this for the consortium, because the solutions from other vendors, just licensing wise, it was very expensive.
The basic thing that a local government needs to get this up and running are GPS devices in their trucks. If you've got those GPS devices in the trucks, we can connect to them and roll this solution out. It's really kind of that simple. So if you're interested in getting this application, reach out to your local GIS analyst or your account manager, and they'll get you connected with Jan and I.